The Canary Wharf Canada Place, Canary Wharf Shopping Centre in London. Canada Place Shopping Centre in Canary Wharf. It's going to be Mitsubishi lifts.
I think you have to be very pragmatic, which is, as we all know, there isn't a lot of money, and so you have to look at the opportunities, which are catalogue rather than management. But it's what I know. It's everybody's approach. And one thing leads to another thing. You know, I manage all these on block.
It's this one.
Look for something to order, so that's why
Got to level 4 Plateau restaurant. It's a Mitsubishi lift. Capacity 21 person, 600 kilos. So numbers PL10. Here at 4. Go down to parking level 3. Here at the ground floor. What floor do you want? Going down? What floor?
Sorry, mall.
Waitrose and retail mall level.
No.
Waitrose and retail mall.
Hello?
Here at mall. Here at parking 3. Go back up to Waitrose and retail mall level. Level 2 is the Pearson Room restaurant. Mezzanine is Waitrose and retail mall level. Here back at which